Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be playing around with the products out of the P Louise box for the month of September. Now, I already did this video yesterday and my data was corrupt this morning when I went to go edit. So we're doing a redo of the video I did yesterday. I'm so excited about the P Louise box this month because of the eyeshadow palette. Like, how cute is this? I got the Hocus Pocus Regain Focus palette. If you got the Droplet of Magic, I'm a little jelly because I really wanted that palette. Even though the color story in here is beautiful. And I did have a lot of fun with this palette yesterday, so I am excited to use this palette again today. I do love this one. I just would have preferred to get the black one. We also got two lip balms. This is a new launch. This is like, for me, you know, it's lip balms. I mean, they will get used. They smell really good. I got the Wishful Watermelon. It smells just like watermelon. This one's shaped like a heart. You click it up from the bottom. I've also noticed that you don't want to click it up too far because I clicked it up too far yesterday and it broke on me. So just click it up a little bit and that way it won't break on you. Because like as soon as you put it on your lips, it like starts melting. It's really nice. It's a thin formula. I like this one better. It smells just like watermelon. I like the little applicator on here, but it's a thicker formula, so that's why I like it a little more. I'll definitely probably use this one more because I just like my chapsticks to be that thicker balm formula. I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit of this on. It is really nice and hydrating on your lips. But of course, I want to know, what palette did you get? What scent did you get? And then next up, we got P Louise Skin. Now, if you've been with me, you know that I don't really love getting skincare in my boxes. I don't like switching up my skincare a lot because I do have sensitive skin. I did try this yesterday. And the formula on this is very thin. So this works really nicely under makeup. I'm actually going to go ahead and apply now. I already did my morning routine, washed my face, did my toner, my oils, my moisturizer, all that. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply this before I start my makeup. Now I am going to start with my eyes today, so it is going to give this a little bit of time to soak into the skin. But this is such a thin formula that it absorbs pretty quickly into the skin. And this has a nice fresh scent, but it's very light. So this one I'm actually going to keep right here on my makeup stand and use this right before makeup. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply a little bit of the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base. And I am just going to pull my hair back. Really quick, if you're not familiar with this box, it's a monthly subscription. You get makeup, skincare, makeup tools. This is the second month that I have been subscribed. It's $40 plus shipping, so I pay $13 for shipping. So total, I pay $53 a month for this box. So really quick before we get started, if you like these types of videos, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe. Also, if you ring the notification bell, you'll be notified every time I upload. I upload at least twice a week, but I'm random. I upload on different days. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into the palette. Now this palette is so cute. It comes with a little lock. I've already taken it off. And this is the first side. What's really cool about this is it has two sides to it, so pretty cool. Yesterday I used the black and I used a few oranges out of here and made a really pretty just fall look with this. I'm really thinking about going in with the purples today. So first I'm going to start off with this light purple shade. And this one is called Hunting Hour. I'm just going to buff this right into the crease. And I'm just going to bring it right up to the brow. So let's talk about some spoilers because I do have pictures of the spoilers. I'm going to have the video linked below, but October's box is going to be a good box, I'm telling you. I'm excited for next month's box and I haven't even really got to play around with this one yet. Our first spoiler is going to be an all-over liquid highlighter. So there's a pink one or there's a green one and we're going to receive one or the other. I don't really care which one I get. They both really look pretty and I like to add stuff like this to my lotions all the time. So I'm excited about this product and I love glitter. So I really like it. I think it's a cool product. Okay, switching brushes, I'm going to go into that next purple shade. And this one's called Coffin and I'm going to keep that one more in the crease just to add a little bit of depth. So the next spoiler is going to be 1 of 5 palettes. Honestly, I hope I get the blue one. So there is a blue, a purple, a pink, a green, and a yellow. Aren't these like the cutest little palettes? I love them. The little butterflies are adorable. And the color stories, all of them are really beautiful. So I'm excited for that palette. And this dark shade and light shade just blends so nicely together. These shadows are really nice and smooth on the lid. Now I'm going to take this really pretty purple shimmery shade, which is called Hocus Pocus. And I'm just going to pick it up with my finger and I'm going to put that on the outer corner. These are so pretty. I love this color. And I feel like I've done a lot of purple looks lately, but I've just been really into like the purples lately. I will recreate yesterday's look because that was a really pretty fall look that I created with the oranges and the blacks. Then I'm going to go into this shimmer shade right here, which is called Don't Ghost Me, and I'm going to put that on the front part of the lid. I'm just going to use my finger at first. So our last spoiler for the October box for P Louise is going to be a 20-piece brush set. Now, if you've been with me, girl, you know I'm super excited about this. I love to get brushes. I never try to buy brushes, but I'm always so excited when I get them in my makeup subscriptions. So now I'm just going to go in with a brush and kind of distribute these colors where I want them. But I just use my finger because right now I have shorter fingernails and I can actually use my finger to get in there. But these nails are just press-ons. I actually did the video, so if you didn't get a chance to check out that video, I will link that in the description box as well. These are just like Kiss, very affordable. So far doing really good. No chips, no breaks, so I'm absolutely loving them. And I'm just going to take that dark purple on a brush and blend that out as well. Start buffing it out, around, blending the two together. Again, anytime you feel like you're losing a color, just go back and add it. Ooh, I love this. It is so pretty. Going back with my first brush and I'm just gonna blend out. So that way we don't have any harsh lines. So what do you think about next month's box? I'm excited for everything. I'm super excited for the 20-piece brush set. I'm excited for any one of those eyeshadow palettes, but fingers crossed I get the blue one. I just like the blue. They're so bright and bold, and it's just like calling my name, you know? That, and I feel like we just got a pink palette. I got some awesome purples, some good greens in here, so I really don't need the purple, the green, or the pink. The yellow kind of scares me a little. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't really do yellow eyeshadow, but that one would get me out of my comfort zone. That'll probably be the one that I get, you know? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump off camera, finish up the rest of my makeup, and I'll be back to do the lower lash line. Okay, so I got the rest of my makeup done, and I'm gonna go into this purple right here, which is called Coffin, and I'm gonna buff out the lower lash line with that shade. Then I'm going to take a little bit of that Hocus Pocus shade and go over top of that, just to deepen it up a little bit. Okay, so for the brow bone, I'm going to go into that light purple shimmer, which is called Don't Ghost Me, and I'm going to use that for the inner corner and also my brow bone. And then, of course, just going to go back with that first brush and blend out. Of course, I'm going to curl my lashes with my heated eyelash curler. And then I will just coat my lashes with a little bit of It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Okay, so this is the completed look with the P Louise budget box. I love it. I think it looks so pretty. I love the purples. I decided to go with just a neutral lip because the eye is so bright, but I love how this looks. The purples in this palette are gorgeous. But as always, girl, thanks for hanging out with me. Let me know, what are you most excited for the October box? Can't wait to hear what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!